Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go long here in the trade. As you can see, we just had that little minor correction, um, but I'm pretty sure we can get to. Let me move this little thing here. Uh, let's see, where's this at? Right here, where they had this hesitation at. I think it's definitely going to get back up there. So let's say we want to go 1297. So 1292, 93, 94. All right, let's go back up here, see where we are. 94, 95. All right, little engine that could. It's going, it's going. There we go. 94, 95. Just trying to break there. Oh. 97 right there. So there we go. Boom, there we go, $740. There we go, just like that. So just looking at support and resistance. Since this is pretty much our A leg coming up here right now, there's going to be a correction coming back down. You can look at that trade right there, a correction coming back down, and then when it goes back up, you can make the rest of your money, which I think you can make an easy another $300 trade just going back up, and then you're done for the day. That's $1,000 just like that. Okay, that quickly coming into the market. Was that probably like about 4 minutes? We made $740. Like I said, I will wait for the red arrow to come down on here. And as soon as they touch the EMA, which is acting almost like a VWAP, once it touches back down to that point, then take it back, going back up, you could easily make another $300 trade, and they'll put you over $1,000 just like that, fam. So that's how we're going to do it. And just want to show you exactly how to get in here and make this money. It's so easy. It's not hard. Again, you don't even have to make $1,000. Just think about if you had $1,000 in your bank account. What is it doing for you? What is it doing for you? If you take it out and put it in marketing and making yourself around about $25 a day or something like that, that's way better than what it's doing in the bank. Just want to give you a little taste of what's possible in the market, family. That's all. This is your profit coach. Listen, get out there and change your financial life, change your financial future by learning money, all right, in the markets. I'll talk to you guys later. I will see you at the bank. Bye-bye.